Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Karim Baksh Abbasi. I'm going to start my second lecture for the students of third semester. The title of the course is Teaching Literacy, and our today's topic is Who are the good readers? We will discuss briefly about the qualities of a good reader. Until and unless you are a good reader, you cannot experience success. Okay. Here we are going to discuss the points, some of the points systematically. Our first point for becoming the good reader is good readers develop foundational skills early. They know the alphabetical system, they know how to write letters, they know the names of letters, and they know some of the strategies that how these letters are connected into the meaningful sound. If students are good at connecting the letters with the sounds, they are going to be good readers. There are chances that they can identify the words easily. Okay. Second point is good readers have a background knowledge. Suppose when students start any text and the text which they are going to study, they have already experienced in their daily life. This background experience, this background knowledge will help them in reading the text easily. Okay, so good is to readers have background knowledge, and this background knowledge is given to them from their parents. Their parents are educated, their family is well educated. They see their parents reading, they see their parents talking to them, and they get such good environment at home. So this develops their background knowledge, and this background knowledge helps them. Uh, this background knowledge helps them to read easily at school. My third point is good readers use some of the strategies when they read. And we must note that there are five components of reading. Once again, I am going to tell my students that there are five components of reading. First is basics, is phonics. Second is phonemic awareness. Third is vocabulary. Fourth is fluency. And fifth is comprehension. If they know about the strategies of all these components, then they can apply those strategies and they will be the good readers. Let me quote one example of the strategies. One of the strategy of fluency. Suppose we want to teach students fluency, and I am reading a poem. Okay, so when I read poem, I must show my body language. I must show gestures and posture to them, so that they may adopt those strategies, and they will become a good reader. Same can happen in novels and stories. If you are reading stories and teaching students dialogues, and they are going to repeat those dialogues again and again, and they come on the stage and they perform those dialogues. In this way, they can be taught fluency in their classes by their teachers. But the condition is that the teacher must himself be fluent first. If he is not fluent himself, then how would he teach fluency to his students? Okay, and what fluency is? Fluency means read rapidly, rapid reading, read with sufficient speed, and not only read with sufficient speed, but read accurately, and read by showing gestures and postures and body language. If these are the elements which are included in your talking and your reading, then you can be called a good reader. Our fourth point is good readers have a sight word repertoire. What is sight word repertoire? Means they have experience, lot of experience of reading the words. Wherever they go and whoever they talk, they listen and they read words. Okay, where they go, they come back home from school, and they see magazines are available at home, lot of books are available at home, and their parents show them books. Okay, so he has got a lot of repertoire with the reading and with the words. So whenever he will see new word, he can easily detect it. He can easily identify it. Okay, because he has developed a lot of repertoire with the words. Our fifth point is good readers develop oral language early. What's oral language development? Oral language development means our students are going to experience listening at home. We think that we should not talk English to our children until and unless they first learn to read. Let them be the part of a school. Let them develop their okay, and we keep waiting. We keep waiting for them to grow and to pass one standard, and other standard, and third standard, fourth standard. In this way, we are going to give loss to our students. They are going to lose the potential of learning language. So develop the oral language of your children at home. Keep talking with them, and they will develop their oral language. Okay, because when they listen, they think that spoken sentences are spoken speech is made up of sentences, and sentences are made up of words, and words are made up of sentences. So they adopt this strategy and use it when they read. Okay, but you see, those students who are not good at listening, definitely they will be poor in reading too. So develop the oral language of your children at home. Keep talking with them, keep communicating with them, give them this environment, develop their listening skill, and they will be good, readers. My fifth point is motivation. Okay, good readers are motivated readers. They are motivated. They are given motivation by their parents. They see their parents, reading. They see their parents talking about books. They see their parents talking about the importance of reading. Okay, and they not only talk about the importance of reading, but they do this at home. Their parents do read at home. They do discuss books. And their children silently observe the reading of their parents, and talking when their parents are talking about books, talking about stories, talking about novels. Okay, then their children are silently catching all those points. Okay, and they are motivated. But you see, there are certain homes where students are deprived of such facilities. They don't observe such environment. They don't see their parents reading. Then students are demotivated. They don't get interest with reading. They lack motivation for reading. And my last point about the our topic is good readers, and the last point is appreciation. Okay, when children at home see lot of books at home, and they see their parents are appreciating the literature they read, they are talking with a lot of curiosity about books, about novels, about fiction, about magazines, and then they see that our parents have a lot of appreciation, then they will adopt this appreciation for themselves, and they will themselves appreciate books, then they will start reading. Okay, so appreciation is one of the good quality for becoming the good reader. If the students are deprived of these points, then there are little chances for them to become a good reader. So my today's lecture was from semester 3, and the title of the course is teaching literacy, and hope you have got the points. And if you have a question, send me in written, and I will respond to the question. Thank you very much. Khuda Hafiz. See you